In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use folders and navigation menus in Squarespace 7.1. Whether you're starting a new website or simply looking to improve the organization of an existing one, understanding how to utilize folders effectively can really enhance the navigation experience for your visitors and keep your site neat and tidy. First, let's begin by logging into your Squarespace account. On the homepage, locate the login button and simply click on it. Once you've clicked login, you'll notice the option to continue with Google. Click on this to progress, making accessing your Squarespace projects easy and seamless. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a variety of your sites listed. Go ahead and click on the website you want to edit. Once inside, you'll be led to the main dashboard. From here, our next stop is to go to the Pages section. You can do this by clicking on Pages on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where you'll be able to modify and organize your site's structure, so it's a good area to become familiar with as you work on your site. With the Pages section open, take a look at the options available. Alongside each page listing, you'll see a plus icon. Clicking this icon presents a few options, one of which is crucial for our task at hand, creating a folder or a drop-down folder. To do this, click the plus icon and you'll see a few different options. Choose either folder or drop-down folder depending on how you want the menu to display. Folders are an excellent tool for organizing content hierarchically, allowing you to group related pages together under one menu item, which can drastically improve the user experience. Once you've selected and created your folder, it's time to populate it. Inside the Pages panel, find the pages that you want to include in your new folder, then simply drag and drop them into the folder. This method is intuitive and offers you a visual way of organizing your site's navigation structure. It's worth taking a bit of time here to ensure that everything is in the right place, as a well-organized menu can make a significant difference for your site visitors. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use folders and navigation menus within Squarespace 7.1. Mastering these foundational skills can help simplify the management of your website, allowing you to focus more on creating great content for your visitors. With this newfound knowledge, you're now equipped to create a well-structured and user-friendly website navigation system that enhances visitor interaction with your site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!